I am coming through downtown Asheboro, and I just got my teeth done, so half my face is kind of numb. But I just wanted to see what kind of Christmas decorations everybody had down here. This is crazy, so much stuff. I've never been in there, and that was really awesome. It was like I could have walked around all day and not seen everything. It was seriously amazing. I only saw like half of the stuff, and so it's pretty cool. Down here is Antiques and Geeks. For now, I'm not going to go in because we've been in there a few times, but I'll let you guys see the outside. This one's really cool. This one's my husband's favorite because they have a bunch of gaming stuff and just little knickknacks. The other one was definitely more of antiques. This one has some modern things as well. And then there's the Sunset Theater. I need to see what they got going on. Let's see if we can cross it, this crosswalk. This is new, a little Randolph County Library bookshop. And there's the outside of the antique place. And then we're coming up on the Flying Pig. My husband and I like to eat there, but one of our kids is sensitive to pork, so we don't go here a whole lot. But it's cute. It doesn't open until 11. But looky there. They got all kinds of Christmas. And here we are at the little Christmas tree. Now I gotta get my coffee. I just really enjoyed my time. I got a peppermint marshmallow iced latte, and I saw a friend that I haven't seen in a while, so I talked to them. and it was just really nice to be able to get out and enjoy myself for a minute. And I definitely want to come back at night in this area and see if they light up the street, because usually it's super pretty. So I'll have to bring the boys out and do that with them. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures.